This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Helen Morrow. This spacious condo comes furnished as it's in a trust. The beneficiaries are the owners of this condo since trustee has passed. Recent upgrades include new roof replaced in 2023 by association, laminate flooring in living, tiled floors in dining, kitchen, hall and FL room, newer carpet in bedrooms. Air conditioner and water heater new in 2020. Front door west/glass insert that allows more natural light into condo, plus disappearing screen door. FL room windows were changed to single hung instead of the awning type. Some blinds have been changed. FL room has an air conditioner vent, therefore it's included in the living square footage. Open patio at back with view of open green spaces, allows for peace and serenity. This condo is ready for a new owner and is well maintained. Hurry and call now. For more information, review the details below or contact Helen Morrow at 772-979-1426.